Hello everyone. Today we will be diving into our course on public speaking. In this module, we will explore the fundamental aspects of public speaking, including understanding its importance, overcoming fear, and building confidence and setting goals and expectations. So, let's get started. First one, understanding the importance of public speaking skills. See, public speaking is a crucial skill in today's world. Whether you are a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, the ability to communicate effectively in front of an audience is essential. So, public speaking skills can help you convey your ideas, influence others, and create a lasting impact. By mastering these skills, you can enhance your personal and professional growth as well. Great. So coming to the second one, overcoming fear and building confidence. So, fear of public speaking is a common challenge that many individuals face. However, with the right techniques and practice, it is possible to overcome this fear and build confidence. Here are a few strategies to help you. First one, preparation. Thoroughly prepare your speech or presentation. Research your topic, organize your thoughts, and create a clear structure. The more prepared you are, the more confident you will feel. Okay? Coming to the second one, practice. Practice your speech multiple times, preferably in front of a mirror or with a trusted friend. This will help you become familiar with your content and improve your delivery. Third point, breathing and relaxation techniques. Why? Yes, here we go with it. So, deep breathing exercises and relaxation techniques can help calm your nerves before speaking. Take a few moments to focus on your breath and visualize a successful presentation. Fourth point, positive visualization. Imagine yourself delivering a successful speech. Visualize the audience responding positively to your message. The positive visualization can boost your confidence and reduce anxiety. Great. So, let's move into the third one, setting goals and expectations. Setting goals and expectations is crucial for your growth as a public speaker. Here are some steps to help you to set effective goals. First one, identify your objectives. Determine what you want to achieve through public speaking. Is it to inform, persuade, or entertain? Clarify your objectives to align your efforts accordingly. Break down your goals. Divide your larger goals into smaller, achievable milestones. This will make your progress more tangible and manageable. Coming to the third point, C, create a timeline. Set a timeline for achieving each milestone. Having a timeline will keep you focused or motivated. Measure your progress. Regularly assess your progress toward your goals. This will help you identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments. Last but not least, seek feedback. It is very important. Actively seek feedback from trusted individuals or mentors. Constructive feedback can provide valuable insights and help you refine your public speaking skills. In conclusion, Module 1 has introduced us to the importance of public speaking skills, overcoming fear and building confidence, and setting goals and expectations as well. Right? Remember, Public speaking is a skill that can be developed with practice and dedication. So let's embrace this journey together and work towards becoming effective and confident public speakers. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to our next sessions. Stay safe.